Welcome to the OpenIAM Access Governance Walkthrough. Click below to follow our step-by-step walkthrough. Access governance should not start with a flat spreadsheet. OpenIAM helps reviewers begin with the campaigns that need attention: overdue reviews, critical items, SoD conflicts, and high-risk access. Inside the campaign, the priority queue surfaces critical access, SoD conflicts, changed entitlements, and dormant access first, so reviewers focus on what matters instead of working through a flat alphabetical list. OpenIAM does not just label access as critical, it explains why. In this example, the critical risk comes from a detected SoD conflict involving AP approver and GL read-only access. Reviewers can see the specific SoD conflicts and the business separation at risk before they certify access. High-risk users must be reviewed individually. Bulk approval is disabled for those users. As the reviewer works through the queue, OpenIAM tracks each decision. Certify and revoke actions are captured before the review is submitted. Before submission, OpenIAM checks whether required reasons are missing. High-risk decisions and revocations must include reason codes, so the review produces evidence that can stand up later. Preventive SoD begins during the access request process, before new access is approved or provisioned. The requester starts by selecting who needs access. Before selecting access, the requester confirms user context such as department, job title, manager, and location. These attributes help anchor the request in business context. OpenIAM provides a governed access catalog across SAP, directories, SaaS applications, databases, and enterprise systems. Inside SAP ERP, roles are selected from the catalog. Each role can carry duration limits and policy checks, including SoD controls. When the selected role does not violate policy, OpenIAM shows that no SoD conflicts were detected and allows the request to proceed. Before submission, the requester reviews the selected system, role, access level, and duration. The request is structured before it enters approval. The final review screen captures the requester, recipient, requested SAP role, SoD result, duration, and business justification. This is the beginning of the evidence trail. If the requester selects Finance Manager, OpenIAM detects a hard SoD violation against existing finance analyst access. The request is blocked before access is granted. The conflict never becomes live access. Every governance action contributes to the Evidence Center, where audit and GRC teams can search, export, and send evidence to their GRC process. Access request evidence is organized around business-readable packages, not raw technical logs. Each package shows who requested access, who it was for, what was requested, and how the request was handled. Each evidence package answers the questions auditors ask: who was involved, what access was requested, why it was needed, what policy was evaluated, what decision was made, and what happened afterward. OpenIAM captures access review decisions, SoD checks, reason codes, access requests, approvals, blocked requests, exceptions, remediation outcomes, and audit history as part of the workflow. Access governance is not complete when a review is assigned. It is complete when the decision, control, and evidence are captured.